What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel this evening, and today I've actually got some really cool news. I've finally located a an operating system disk to restore my laptop. So hopefully by tomorrow afternoon or tomorrow late morning, early afternoon, or mid-afternoon maybe, I will have my laptop up and rocking if this disk works. Uh, Thank you to uh, the bloke on Facebook that uh, that has given me his. I think he's said he's got a spare one or something like that. But regardless, I've finally got a disc. Took long enough. Took too long, but finally got it now. So yeah, soon I'll be back to my normal scheduling. I'm gonna make a whole heap of gaming videos. Um, a few editable vlogs with using this and this camera and my new tripod. Um, Hopefully that all goes to plan. As well as pretty much a mountain full of work. This is all looking for a job type of stuff. I apologise for the lighting. I know it's really cruddy on this phone. But yeah, this is just another raw vlog with the good news about the operating system disk. I finally found one. Now today didn't really do much of interest today. Just ran a couple of errands and done a couple of appointments and things like that, which is where I got most of that paperwork from. But yeah, hopefully by tomorrow I should be up and rocking again on my laptop. Hopefully I don't lose any data. I shouldn't, apparently. But we'll see how that goes. Yeah, I'll see how it goes and get back into the usual routine. But yeah, I don't know what else to talk about. This is just a quick vlog about the good news, and I might possibly make a vlog while I'm doing the repair, and maybe video as much as I can of it. So yeah, other than that, there's not much else to talk about. Yeah, fingers crossed this disc works. So yeah, if you enjoy, I'll leave the video for there for now. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to leave any feedback or comments on any of my videos to help me to grow this channel. Cheers guys, peace out, see you in the next one.